It's the birthday. It's the birthday time, but disaster. There's no soda in the Soda Stream. Here's how to change the canister on a regular Soda Stream. Casper is very excited about the party shenanigans, but let's get this gas canister changed. So first we have to open the new canister. Don't do what we did. You can actually exchange your old canister and you get some money off the new canister. Yeah, but we forgot to do that.
Or you get this canister for the tenner.
Right, but we've got so we've got two canisters going. So what you can do is take the canister out, go to the shop, swap it
out, yeah.
and then get a new one. But anyway, we're living it large. Oh, and this is how long our Soda Stream has lasted. Look
Each
at
one's
that.
like a use.
Look at that.
That's like 720 millilitres.
Yeah, that's quite a lot of.
Not bad.
Yeah, a lot of squirts. So we're going to open the new.
Yeah, you can use it from the bottom. I tear it from the bottom.
Okay. And then what? And then you take this cap off. Does it just twist off?
Yeah, just twist
There we
off.
go. Great stuff. And then on the Soda Stream, there's a button at the back. You push that in, and then you can pull the top half up, and that has the canister attached. Or maybe you're doing it for the first time. You obviously won't have that. So I can take old canister, and we take that to the shop and get a
That feels
discount.
a lot lighter.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one's light. And then you just put it in. I'm not sure I caught that. Do you want to do that again? Inside there's like a thread. And
Let
then,
focus.
yeah. And then there's a thread on the top of the bottle. So then all you do is line it up with the hole and just twist it in like that. And then, whoa! Squirt your dad in the face. And then you just slide it in until it clicks. The tray comes off.
They're called reloading.
So that's looking good, isn't it? We're going to demonstrate how we fizz our bottles in the Soda Stream. So my son is filling it up to the line.
I usually go a bit over.
Yeah, you get extra.
Yeah.
And we don't. Yeah.
We don't do it too much because then there'll be pressure build up here and it'll just like explode.
Wise words.
Yeah.
And then over to the Soda Stream. And then what you do is you line it up and then you twist it anti-clockwise. So you twist it the wrong way. Ooh, pizza's ready. So we screw it up until
Nice and tight.
it won't turn anymore. That's our pizza alarm. Okay, Google, stop. And then I like to do 3 bursts. How many do you do? How many do you go?
3.
3.
Yeah, you'll want to see bubbles around the edge. Carbon.
Yeah. So
Bad
that,
for the
it's bad for the atmosphere. All of it's bad. So we've got all of this technology just to put some fizz into some liquid. But I hope that shows you how to change your Soda Stream canister. Hit us up with any questions in the comments. It'd be lovely to hear from you. Just say hi. It'd be great to hear from you. And thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button if anything in this video helps. And right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next.
Dog scratched on the